Guys, welcome to Cheer Jamaican Food. So we're gonna have some oven jerk chicken and with some rice and peas and also coleslaw. But what I'm doing now, I'm gonna prepare the blended season now to go on the chicken and stuff like that to season it. And so we're just gonna leave it for overnight because as you can see that it's a night time, so it's gonna be tomorrow when I'm gonna cook. So we're just marinating it now. After I've blended it, put it in the fridge to stay overnight, and then tomorrow start the process. So I'm just gonna blend up seasons now. So we have the scallion, onion, thyme, sweet pepper, garlic. You can see guys the season blending now. Almost finished. Guys, I'm gonna season the meat now with some of my all-purpose. Not too much because we're gonna be using the jerk sauce on it also. Guys, this is the seasoning that I just blended. Gonna also put a little on it. You see that? Lovely. Yes. That is all that is my onion, my scallion and everything. Tip a little oil on it too, so it will stick and hold better. I'm gonna tip some of my jerk season, Grace Jamaican jerk season also on it. Take out a little bit because this is really spicy, guys. This is really spicy. So I'm not gonna use too much because it's well hot. Believe me, it's hot. So I'm just gonna rub it in now. Look at that, guys. That's looking beautiful already. You see all of that? Yes, and I'm gonna keep a bit of browning on it also, guys. But I'm just rubbing in this right now. You see that? I slit the chicken and rubbing in the seasoning in. You see that? Yes, that's wonderful. That's looking marvelous, guys. Remember, to subscribe to 3R Jamaican Food. So we're going to do the oven jerk chicken. Alright? I'm going to tip a bit of browning on it. Not too much though, guys. Not too much, just a little. Just maybe less than a cupful, guys. I'm going to tip on it. Just to give it a little, and rub it in, guys. Yes, guys, so this is it. You see that looking really good. You see the blended season on it. It's coming together. I'm gonna leave this now for overnight to marinate and get things started in the morning. Alright, guys? Guys, as you can see, the peas is on the fire now. So you don't know, we're gonna have some rice and peas, oven jerk chicken, a little coleslaw and plantain. Remember, guys, to like, comment, share and subscribe to 3R Jamaican Food. Alright, so the peas started boiling now. So as soon as it's finished and the process starts, when I'm putting in the chicken in the oven, give you guys an update. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my chicken that was marinated overnight. Have a closer look. You see how beautiful that look, guys. So this is my baking sheet wherein I'm gonna put them inside. I just rub a bit of butter on it. I'm gonna place the chicken them inside now, guys. Look how beautifully this chicken has been seasoned, guys, with my jerk sauce and everything. My jerk season, correction. And remember, this is oven jerk chicken, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it in the oven now. As you can see, it's on my baking sheet. I'm gonna place it inside the oven now, guys. And my oven has already been preheated. So guys, I already shredded the cabbage and the carrot to make the coleslaw. So when I'm adding my mayonnaise and so on, so I'll let you guys see that process. Now I'm gonna put this sweet potato, guys, in the oven and have it baked. So this is gonna be really tasting good, guys, also. So stay tuned. I already put the chicken into the oven. So I'm gonna do half an hour on one side, half an hour on the other side to get it to perfection. So check in, guys. Alright guys, so you don't know, I'm gonna season up the pot. Yeah, nice rice and peas. So I'm adding a little thyme in it. Put piece of scallion in there. Sweet scotch bonnet. Press right there, guys. Turn up my stove a little. I'm gonna tip 1 teaspoon of sugar. Alright. Half teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, so I'm stir this a bit. See my peas is red, guys. Woo. So we're gonna tip a bit of all-purpose in there also. So look at tip of all-purpose, guys. See that? Yeah, that's the right amount. Also gonna tip a look like my blended season that I blend in it also. My green season. My green season, guys. Just a look at tip. Just at maybe a teaspoon or so. See that? Yes guys, look at that. Wow. Take a close up. Look at this, guys. Wow. Not all natural. Put it in the pot and give it a stir. Believe me, guys, this rice and peas is gonna be off the chart. I'm gonna put my coconut milk in there also. Here it is. Throw it in the pot. Yep. Stir it around. Give this like 3 minutes or so to boil up, or 3 to 5 minutes, and let it properly. Yeah. So catch me there. Piece of butter. Yes guys, I like it a look over the limit still with the butter, guys, you know. Keep my rice and peas nice and beautiful. Look at that. Wow, I'm gonna let this come to a boil now. So this is half an hour on the first side. I'm gonna turn it. Yeah. Alright, so I'll give you an update, guys. Alright, guys, so you know it's rice, using parboiled rice. Parboiled rice. Washing the rice now. And you know, guys, that I wash my rice 3 times, alright? I could wash even 4 times, but I wash my rice 3 times. Turn in the rice now. as you can see. Rice added in the pot. Just giving it a stir to get everything level and all mixed. Alright. Nice rice and peas when it's finished, guys. Stay tuned. The chicken is still in the oven. Look at my rice. Wow. Look at that. Hasn't finished as yet. I'm gonna cover it now. Let it go and steam a bit more. Look at that, guys. Beautiful rice and peas. Alright, guys. So you know, don't want the mice to dry out, so just put in a little bit more that I got from in it. Basting it all over, guys. Putting it in back for a few more minutes. And turned on the next side. Then take it all back. So I'll get back to you. This is the update, guys. My oven jerk chicken. Alright, as I said, we're gonna have some fried plantain also. We're gonna fry the plantain now. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna leave them to fry, slow fry. I don't want them to really burn up. And if you notice that a good amount of oil is in the pot, because I kinda did wanted the oil to cover them tonight. Alright, so we're gonna let them fry. When they're plated now, you guys see everything, alright? Alright, guys, so here we have the finished product, guys. Look at this. Just look at this, guys. Isn't this wonderful? There you see me with my ripe plantain. You see me with my coleslaw. And you see me with my baked sweet potato. And look at my beautiful oven jerk chicken. Look at that, guys. Wow. Oh my God. Doesn't this look like something to die for? Wow. So I'm gonna taste my baked sweet potato, guys. Wow. Guys, this really tastes really amazing. Taste my coleslaw now. Look at that. Look at that creamy goodness. Look at that. Wow. And taste my fried ripe plantain. Also gonna taste my rice now, guys. Yeah. Oh my God. Guys, this is the bomb. You gotta come to GR Jamaican food, guys, and let me chef up this for you. Believe me. Oh my God, guys, wow. Right now this chicken is just bursting with flavors, guys. I taste the jerk seasoning, spicy, well nice. I taste the blending season, guys. Oh my gosh, I taste everything here. This season is soaked right through, guys. Believe me, this is truly amazing. This is tasting good. Remember, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching 3R Jamaican Food. Press the notification bell to get all post notification, guys. Blessings.